This video is about hydroponics. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics is the science of growing plants without the use of soil but by the use of an inert material to support the root of the plants and grow them directly in nutrient-rich water. The alternate medium for root support can be peat moss, coconut fiber, vermiculite, perlite, rock wool, etc. The concept of hydroponics has its origin way back from the ancient Egyptian period, which was proved by archaeological evidences that the hanging gardens of Babylon were raised without the use of soil. Features and benefits of hydroponics. To set up a hydroponic farm, one needs to set up structure to regulate the environment and grow the plants along with food-grade plastic-made trays and tubes. We need plumbing system and automation such as sensors, controllers, water pumps, lighting, etc. There are additional requirements like cost involved in maintaining ambient temperature, in purifying water, providing plant nutrition like nitrogen, potassium, calcium nitrate, phosphorus and other micronutrients like manganese, zinc, etc. The initial cost for setting up these farms is higher than traditional farming, but this technology comes with its own set of benefits like higher yield, multiple cropping cycles, reduced labor and no dependence on outside weather. Other perceived benefits of hydroponics farming are: it saves space, uses about 10 times less water, and weed and pest problems are controlled as only few chemicals are used. Also, plants grow 30% to 50% faster and healthier as they receive ideal amount of nutrients, and yield per square foot is higher than conventional method, and it also prevents soil pollution. Market size and adoption. The global hydroponics market size is expected to reach $17 billion by 2024 at a CAGR of 11.5%, says Market Research Future. Some of the commonly grown crops are tomatoes, lettuce, radish, spinach, kale, strawberries and herbs like basil, chives, cilantro, mint, oregano, parsley, rosemary and thyme. India still imports majority of its exotic fruits and vegetables. While central government is promoting subsidy for hydroponics, we have a long way to go before this technology gains widespread acceptance. Indian hydroponics market is still in nascent stage and likely to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 13.53% between 2020 and 2027. Key startups in India. Some of the startups that are helping families grow pesticide-free vegetables and herbs indoors without using any soil are Aqua Farms Chennai, Letcetra Agritech Goa, Bitmantis Innovations Bangalore, Urban Kisan Hyderabad, Future Farms Chennai, Ila Sustainable Solutions Cochin, Junga Fresh and Green Himachal Pradesh, Pinfresh Chennai. Barton Breeze is a Mumbai-based startup which sets up farms on the rooftops of apartments as well as inside the buildings and buys produce from the urban farmers at 30% profit on each harvest and then sells this produce in the market. Growth of hydroponics in India. Growing demand for sustainable and protected farming practices and higher yield of crops grown under hydroponic facilities over traditional farming are the driving factors for its growth. There is a viable market due to population growth that is ready to purchase the hydroponically grown food within India. This customer market includes retail and hotel and fast food chains, railway catering, foreign food service companies, NGOs and defense establishments. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Focus Agritech.